What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to add echo and reverb into your sounds. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. But first, if you are serious about learning and making your first game in Unreal Engine 5, join my Unreal Club. Inside, you will be able to download entire private files from my tutorials, enter private meetings and webinars with industry experts, access exclusive ebooks packed with the best tricks, get powerful asset frameworks to speed up your blueprints, and much more. The link is in the description. With that said, let's continue with the video. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and just open up my third person character, and I'm gonna do that when I jump. I'm gonna play a sound at a specific location in 3D, okay? So let's go ahead and just put, for example, a simple sound, for example this one. Duckable window up. It's just an example, okay? For the location, it's gonna be get actor location. And then in order to make it 3D, we need to go into the content browser, go to audio, create a sound attenuation, call this SA 3D, and then under the linear drop down, let's put it as natural sound. And now if I go ahead and apply this on the settings, when I jump, I play a sound in 3D with the properties of this over here. But by default, everything will work just fine. But now, how do we actually add the reverb, the echo, and all this stuff? Well, Unreal Engine makes it very easy. The only thing we need to do is go up into the quickly add to the project section, go to all classes, and search for an audio volume. Let's go ahead and resize this box so it fills the area that you want to apply reverb on. In my case, it's going to be the whole thing, so I'm going to just do like 20. And then if you scroll down, you can see the reverb settings, where we have a reverb effect with a bunch of presets created by Unreal Engine themselves. Now we can also go ahead and create our own and customize it, but usually this one will work pretty fine. The one that I like is usually large hall or large room. So let's just go ahead and select this one, for example, press play and jump. And now the audio will be playing in 3D. Now if you don't spot a big difference, make sure that you put headphones on. That happened at the beginning for me too, or increase the volume over here and it will be better. Also maybe increase the volume here and so on, okay? But this is key for making reverb and 3D sounds look amazing, okay? Just also remember they have the chat box enabled, and that's pretty much it. That's the only thing you have to do, okay? So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. Join my Unreal Club if you are serious about learning Unreal Engine 5. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.